Alright guys, can you see me? Can you see me? Look, concentrate on my hands. I got a camera. Are you concentrated on my hands? Alright guys, I got someone to video me while I'm doing this. Like I said, this machine's not mine. It is Dave Canterbury's. I don't know what his plans are for it in the future. I don't know if he's going to give it away, keep it, sell it. I don't know what he's going to do for it. So I'm borrowing it, so I want to make sure I'm taking real good care of it. So every time I bring it back in, when I'm done using it, I get a nice washcloth, get it damp, get it wet, and just I go through and I kind of focus here. You on my hands? I just go through and just wipe stuff down, you know. Go through, wipe the leather down. Make sure there's no dirt, no grime. Are you focused on my hand still? Sorry, I gotta keep telling my camera person. I'm over here now. Can you still see me over there? Let's wipe everything down, guys. Just so it's nice and clean. One thing I have noticed is on the handles, a lot of dust and dirt gets in these little pores here, the little grip. Just kind of got to get out the best you can. Still focused on my hand. Go through and wipe everything down and get any grooves right here. Any place where dirt or dust could get in there. Wipe the shaft down, plastic. Another place dirt and dust like to get into is in these little crevices right in here. Got a little wipe down, wipe the strap down. Same thing on this bottom or side right here. Just get that crevice, wipe it down. Over time, especially in the summer, this kind of builds up with sweat, so you'll definitely want to wipe that, clean that real good. If you want, you can always just spray this down here. This up here is not waterproof, but this on down is. Wipe the control box. So you just kind of wipe this down. Another real good place dirt gets in is down in the buttons here. And just take your finger and just kind of go in there in between. It's not going to be perfect, but you know, keeps it nice and clean. Just wipe it back down. Shafts, you know, shaft's pretty easy. Just wipe the shaft down. And the coil, you just kind of wipe the coil down. I have not, like I said, it's not mine. I've been borrowing it, so I've not been taking it like in rocks or anything like that. I've just been using it in the grass so it doesn't get all scratched up on the coil cover. Just do the top there. Dirt kind of likes to get down and underneath here. Wedge it up in there and kind of just pull it through. Same thing on this side. Another place you guys want to make sure you're checking is underneath this coil. See, you guys get dirt in there.
Hey, you could take that off.
See? Wipe it down. Just shake this out right here. Take all that loose dirt, just run your washcloth through there. Make sure all the dirt gets out of there. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. You just take that, snap her back on. Keeps his equipment clean and looking good. And that's it. Still looks like a brand new machine, guys. So, I still got the screen cover on there. Kind of smooth that over. Get some of those bubbles back out of there. So there. Still tip-top condition.